Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. So guys, in today's video I want to show you how to fix TikTok profile view history not showing. Okay guys, as you can see right here at the top of my TikTok app, I have an eye icon right there, and that eye icon enables me to see who views my TikTok account. So that if you don't have that feature yet on your app and you want to fix it, you want to get it as fast as possible, then this video is for you. So I'm going to share 3 things you need to do in order for you to get this fast. Now the first thing you have to do, which is the most important, is to make sure that your TikTok app is updated. So if you haven't updated your TikTok app, go to Play Store or the App Store, search for the TikTok app, and you find an option to update. There's this button right here for you to update your app. Now go ahead and click on that, and then your TikTok app will be updated. Now after updating your app, maybe it will take a day, or it will take like few days for you to get the feature. Now another thing for you to do to increase your chance of getting this feature is to make sure that your TikTok account is public. Now if it's not, click on these 3 lines at the top right corner of your screen, go to settings and privacy, and click on privacy, and you find these option to turn on or turn off, or sorry, to make your TikTok account either private or public. Now if you turn this toggle button on, then your account will be private, but if it's not turned on, then it's public. Okay guys, the next thing for you to do is to make sure that your TikTok account is active. Make sure you have videos on your TikTok account. That will help increase your chance of getting this feature fast. Now after doing all this and you still don't have this feature, then maybe this feature is not yet available in your country. That's why you haven't gotten it. So when it's available in your country, you're going to get this feature. And also I want you to know that TikTok is still rolling out this feature, so it will still get to you. Hopefully it will get to you. So guys, that is all for this video. I hope this tip I just shared was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like, and equally subscribe to this channel to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.